main street of Daly Waters. It's a one goat town. Now the goat's got to move. Hey goat. What's happening, dude? Huh?
It's a big goat.
And cute puppies. There's the bras I was talking about. Got some more bras donated. All sorts of stuff over there. Okay, see, have you got those? So you know how Carl always makes jokes about parking at the Woolies car park? He's not joking, he's proper serious. That's the Woolies car park. As big as that Land Cruiser.
So it'd be interesting to see the river flowing through here. Well, it's narrow. Okay, the train and everyone comes through here. So it's the river, the train, the road. Alright, next stop. Campsite for the night. So we're going to check out a free camp about 80k south of town. That'll probably do us for the day. Alright, we got this percolating. We got some mushrooms on, and then in the Weber we've got a couple of ribeyes. They're getting along pretty nicely there. So, looking good. Got the sunset going on over here. That long shadow there. Picture. Capture that.
On the truck.
Yeah, I'll capture that. That's all.
So we just pulled up into a caravan park in Coober Pedy to spend the night because it's like 5:30, 6 o'clock. And even though we've still got daylight for a couple of hours, and we just pulled up, seeing that the tyre was getting had a bit of a flat spot. So we've pumped her up. We can't find anything, can't see anything jumping out at us. But how's that? How good are they? It's hot here, wow. But there's a nice pool, so we're just about to go and get a swim.
Yeah. Oh, you know what? I'm just going to pump it up again.
Yeah.
And check it in the morning again. I don't know. I mean, no scars, no holes or screws or. Alright, I think I found my leak. So when we pulled up here, I had this leak, and it's from this internal valve, which is obviously when you rotate the tyre, you have external and internal, depending on how you orientate the tyre. So this one here has actually got a pressure sensor on it, which I forgot to remove when I rotated, and that's rubbed against the brake drum, and looks like it might have just got loose or something, but it's letting the air out. So I'm just going to pull the tyre off now and see if I can fix that. Otherwise we'll take it into the tyre place and get a new stem, but I've got it jacked up on the hydraulic jack here, and I've got a safety strut under there so she can't fall. Okay, we'll just test that safety out, make sure it's good. Got my remote control here to lower it down, so we're lowering down on this one. Okay, we look like we're on the safety. Yep, so the tyre is sitting on the block. Yeah, we're good. Alright, just jack that back up again on this one. Take a bit more weight. Alright, we're good. We're strutted. Alright, get these nuts off.
So what did we read in the museum before? Only 90
less than 1%.
98.75% of opals are invaluable.
Invaluable, not
invaluable.
There's a big picture there, I didn't see that.
So all these miners here are mining for a less than 2% chance of finding valuable
if they find an opal, yeah.
So it's slim pickings.
Alright, Cuba Petey. We're about to leave. It's going to be nice staying here, Cuba. Crossed in South Australia, and the road is really good. Made of red stone. Where do they get all that from?
Out of the rings.
Yeah. It's a real, I don't remember the road being constructed. Last time we came through, it was pretty new.
Yeah, I don't think it was red.
No, obviously they're using the red centre main road.
The red rock top.
Alright, so in a cab over truck like this one, if you get on a bumpy road, it's not actually uncomfortable, but it wears you down after a while. You don't want to be doing it all day. But yeah, the big springs and the sprung seats and the short wheelbase just seems to make it a wild ride. And we're only doing 80 kilometres an hour. I don't know how it would be if we're going any faster. Anyway, we've only got another about 150 k's of the Stewart Highway that we're turning off into the Gawler Ranges, so that'll be a dirt road all the way down, almost to the coast. So we're looking forward to that. It's open, it's exciting. Open. Kinguna 34. Tarcoola 4-wheel drive to Arula Highway. No, we're going. We're good.
Where are we going? To Tarcoola?
No, we're going to Kingula, so we're not on any of those roads. 4-wheel drive, under 3-ton heavy vehicle. We're not going to Tarcoola. Alright, this is it. Let's hope the road is not too corrugated. Might have to let some pressure down. I'll just see what it looks like first. I've had a win with this track so far. It's been pretty smooth, well maintained. There's these cattle wins all look brand new. And they're quite steep. Wouldn't want to hit them too fast.
Some of them have those big holes on the either side of them.
Potentially do a bit of damage if you hit them too fast. But the trial's good. Well, we just had a pit stop, water stop, and it's hot. It's about, must be over 40. And come out here in the wombat hole. Down there, you can see wombat poo, wombat hole. There you go, South Australia, the wombat.
It is.
Chatty news.
You go, big chook.
Go big chop. Come on, you bring your mates. Come on, mates.
No, they want you to drive. Oh, look, no way.
Oh, someone's cleaned one up. So our decision to leave behind the monsoon and the heat wave has culminated in this beautiful beach in South Australia. But unfortunately we didn't check the weather that closely because we got the boat all assembled and inflated, and sure enough the wind came in, and it came in strong. We barely got the boat packed up and put away before it was like a desert sandstorm. We could barely see, and the sand was filling the truck. So yep, check the weather next time, but we're here, we're going to make the best of it and find some spots where we can actually get the boat in the water.
Alright, we're here at Oyster Headquarters. Softy's on the job. Check him out. Yum yum.
This is what we came for. Off the jetty, good feed of squid. Actually, they're calamari. They're calamari squid. Right, so we got a bit of advice from some locals in Ceduna, and they suggested if you want to get out of this wind and you want to get your boat in the water, head out to this creek about 20 kilometres to the west of Ceduna. And so there's a couple of sand dunes we've got to get over, and it's apparently pretty protected, so, and the fishing's supposed to be good, so stay tuned, let's have a look at it and see where we end up. nice and hard to be able to roll the boat down, so we really want to camp pretty close. So this is the high tide.
Do you think the water comes right up here?
Well, as you can see, it came up last night, I think, or the night before.
Okay.
So we need to check if the tides are getting less or more. Got no reception, should check that.
Always check the tides.
Yeah, I know.